Welcome to the Jobs Report podcast by Swob, the job search platform that lets you swipe to success. Each episode, hosts Stephanie and Alexander Florio bring you expert insights on career trends, job hunting, and forging your path in the modern world of work. Your career success starts here, so let's dive in.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Jobs Report podcast brought to you by Swob. I'm your host, Alexander, and I hope you all had a wonderful holiday and a happy new year. It's that time. The jobs report has come out for December 2024, the final jobs report for 2024, and we're going to look at the numbers, look at the trends, see what it means, look into forecasts for 2025, look at the good, the bad, the ugly, and everything in between. So let's just jump right in. So the U.S. economy in December of 2024 added approximately 155,000 new jobs, marking a bit of a slowdown when we compare it to November of 2024, which saw 227,000 new jobs added. But there's a lot of factors that need to be considered here. And obviously the holidays is a major one. A lot of people are taking time off of work. A lot of people aren't working. And even students. A lot of students are returning home for the holidays, taking a break. So obviously that's going to be a major impact as to why the numbers are lower for December when we compare it to previous months. But if we look at 2024 as a whole, on average in 2024, the U.S. economy added approximately 180,000 new jobs per month on average. So this is indicating moderate growth compared to previous years, but still reflecting resiliency in the job market. And one of the positive signs that we saw in 2024 and in December of 2024 was the unemployment rate. The unemployment rate held steady at 4.2%, and this is the sixth consecutive month in a row that it has. And this stability suggests that while job creation has decreased, the labor market still remains relatively firm. And if we take a closer look at industry-specific data, the private sector employers added 122,000 new jobs in December, falling short of initial forecasts and projections. And notably, the manufacturing sector experienced a slowdown for the third consecutive month, highlighting definitely challenges in this area. But despite the slowdown in hiring, employers were exhibiting caution in implementing mass layoffs, contributing to a relatively stable job market. However, it is worth noting that a growing number of unemployed workers have been searching for new employment now for more than 15 weeks, indicating potential challenges in job searching and availability of jobs. So when we look ahead for 2025, what does this all mean, and what do we think about when we look at 2024? Well, I know that a lot of economists and analysts had projected things to be higher in the U.S. economy. However, if we look at the growth and what we saw in 2024, overall, it was slower growth, but there was growth. So there was signs of positive growth, and it didn't go backwards, which is obviously a good thing. Now, looking ahead, economists are kind of divided on where they think the labor market and the trajectory of the labor market is going to go in 2025. Some anticipate recovery, while other economists foresee challenges and continued slowdown influenced by factors such as high borrowing costs and inflation. So when we look at 2024, again, positive growth, maybe not as fast as a lot of people would have liked to have seen, but there were still signs that we were heading in the right direction and there wasn't a complete fall off. And when we look ahead to January of 2025 and the jobs report coming out at the end of this month, for myself, I'm really curious to see where we're going to go. Obviously, a new president coming into office, a lot of things are changing, and I'm really curious to see where we're going to go in 2025. And I do hope that we continue to still see positive signs of growth. But in summary, the December 2024 jobs report reflects a year of moderate hiring with steady unemployment rates and sector-specific challenges. And as we move into 2025, the labor market's direction will largely depend on economic policies and broader market conditions. So for this year, I'm optimistic. I'm hopeful that we're going to see strong change and strong growth. And I think a lot of people are really hopeful for the new year. But that's it for the December 2024 jobs report. Until the next one, thank you all for listening and take care.